Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your headphone or speakers do not seem to be working properly on your Windows 10 device. So this is going to be a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to the bottom right corner of our screen, and if you see a little volume icon and if you hover over it, it should say speakers. You want to right click on it and then left click on playback devices from the menu that appears. Now if you have anything that says headphones in here that you're having the issues with, you want to right click on it and then you want to left click on set as default device. So you would just left click on it and then set default. Since I only have the speakers hooked up, because right now I'm using my other jack for my headphones for my host computer, I'm unable to show you guys on the screen, but there should be multiple items listed here. And if you have anything that says headphones, you want to left click on it and then left click on this button that says set default right here. And then once you set the headphones as default, you would want to right click on the headphones and then select properties. Again, this would be if you're underneath the headphones option. I just did it underneath speakers because, like I said, I do not have headphones on this virtual environment at the moment. So then you'd want to go over to the advanced tab at the top here and left click on it. Then you want to click on this drop down box where it currently says 16-bit Hertz CD quality. You want to click on the little drop down arrow. You'd want to select the last one on this list here, and then you want to test it with your headphones and see if it comes out properly. If it doesn't, you can play around with different ones listed in here and then just test them. And then once you find the one that you're satisfied with, again, you probably want to select the last one and then work your way back. You want to click on apply and OK. And whenever you're working with setting sound for headphones, I would recommend that you don't have the sound too loud on your speakers or your headphone when you're trying to test it out. You just want to be careful, especially I don't want you guys having too loud of a sound when you first test it out. So you just have to be a little bit careful with that. But I wanted to just give you guys a heads up, and I do hope I was able to help you guys out. And again, once you have the sound that you want to click on apply and OK, and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.